We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the learning community. So there are two different ways of pronouncing it. In the UK, in British English, it's more often than not said as usually, so 3 syllables, usually, okay? In the US in particular, even though it's not always, sometimes used also in Britain as well, it's said as 4 syllable, as in usually, usually. The difference is just kind of tiny, but in this pronunciation you say usually, while the other pronunciation again is as usually. So British English, it's commonly said as usually, 3 syllables, while in America it's often said as usually. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more free correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.